Hi there everyone, I am Sharon Sims from Podcasting Hub Australia and welcome back to another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. So come sit with me today while we speak a little bit more about content. We spoke in the last video about content in terms of the planning side of podcasting. So today I'd like to elaborate a little bit more on the content and why podcasting is so impactful. Somebody once said to me that the art of podcasting is actually in the storytelling, and I do have to agree with that. Storytelling is an art, so too is podcasting. Storytelling, though, is the quintessential way to get your message across to your audience and to connect with them more personally. The art of storytelling is so important because we should be telling stories. We should be getting our message across in the form of storytelling as opposed to ranting or a monologue. So regardless of whether you have guests on your podcast or whether you intend to be a solo presenter on the podcast, you need to get good at storytelling. So as human beings, there is a common thread between us and telling our stories in the form of podcasting. Again, because podcasting is such an intimate medium, the art of storytelling is, as I said, a really, really important way to get your message across. It helps you to connect with your audience, and you need to think about the kind of language that you're using. You need to have the type of language that's going to create empathy in your listeners. Remember, it is storytelling. It's a conversation. It's not a rant. It's not a monologue. It's not a forceful way of teaching people or getting the information across. It's a gentle conversation that involves everybody. I remember listening to a podcast a few days ago, actually, and the gentleman talking said that podcasting is the new campfire. So I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, we would sit around the campfire or the bonfire and we would tell stories. The older generation would tell stories from their era. We would relate that and tell stories from our day-to-day life. And so podcasting is the new campfire. So as I said, it's the art of storytelling. It's an intimate way to connect with your audience. So tune in for the next episode and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.